Kebodohan CP, Christian Prince, Sofiatul, dan oten-oten gerombolannya yang mendewakan si CP ini dalam berhitung membuat mereka memfitnah Nabi 4 tahun lahir setelah ayahnya meninggal dan anak hasil Salome seperti yang mereka fitnahkan selama ini. Akibat kebodohan mereka dalam berhitung yang sudah sangat terkenal itu, di mana 1 ditambah 1 ditambah 1 menurutnya adalah sama dengan 1. Yah, mau bagaimana lagi? Kebodohan mereka yang sudah melegenda, yang mereka meyakini bahwa 1 ditambah 1 ditambah 1 adalah 1, membuat mereka nekat akhirnya memfitnah keji bahwa Nabi lahir 4 tahun setelah ayahnya meninggal dan merupakan anak buah dari hasil Salome. Itu menurut otak kosong mereka. Benar-benar kebodohan yang hakiki dan melegenda.
Hello everyone, peace of Christ all. This is a short video. One of those people on YouTube asked a question about what I said about Muhammad. He have or his birth was 4 years after his father's death. If you have my books, you can see all the reference. I have it there in Arabic and translated. And I will try to make it short because it's very easy to prove. And the problem is in Muslim books, it's not our accusation. It is the stupidity of the Muslims. So if the Muslims, their books is stupid, I mean, why they are calling us liars? I mean, Muslims are weird. They write something and then they get angry from them writing those things. Let us show you some reference. As you see, this is a very Islamic website. All right, this is the address. This is a Muslim website, not my website. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah. Okay, Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib. Okay, so the biography of Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib. All right. So to make it short for you, here we go. Those two Muslim books agreeing that Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib, he was the son of the grandfather of Muhammad, which means that will make him his uncle according to this story. So here we will see that Muhammad father, who you Muslims you claim he is his father, and his father, which means the grandfather of Muhammad, they have double marriage in the same day. I think the story is very simple to understand. Both of them, the father and his son, they get married in one day. All right, that's wonderful. So when they get married in the same day, and Muhammad in different books it says he stayed with the mother of Muhammad 3. Some they say most of Muslims they say it was 3 months. Some they say it was 3 days, and then he have to go in a trade or a business. So the maximum was 3 months, and supposedly he made her pregnant during that time. He slept with her. Okay, no problem. But then we will find that in Islamic books, Hamza, who is the son of the same married person who married with Muhammad father in the same day, he is 4 years older than Muhammad. To make it simple, let me show you some. Hold on, let's see. There is a book. All right, this is a book. This is a book in English. I'm glad to find it because it's very hard to find those things in English. This is the book of Kitab al-Maghazi. All right, in this book we will see what happened. Here is saying that Hamza was older than the Prophet by 4 years. Do you see it? I know the text is not really so good, but I think it's fine. So Hamza was 4 years older than the Prophet. Okay, so let us calculate the numbers. We have 2 guys. They married.
Wrong. Disinilah halusinasi si CP mulai bermain. Di buku itu tak disebutkan kakek Nabi dan ayah Nabi menikah bersamaan. Melamarnya memang di hari yang sama, tapi menikahnya berbeda waktu, berbeda tahun. Ayah Nabi seorang pebisnis yang sering bepergian keluar kota, sehingga tidak mempunyai waktu yang sama dengan kakeknya.
In the same day, in the same night. One of them, he died after a few months. So he had a very short period of time to make the woman, his wife, pregnant, because there's no way he will make her pregnant after he died. So if a man he died today, the woman she have maximum of 9 months after that to deliver a son, not to get pregnant after 9 months. She have to be pregnant at the time he died. So she have a maximum of 9 months to deliver a child. After that, there's no way this is the son of the person. So if I marry from a woman and my father or my brother in the same day, and then I die a few months after, then how my son will be born 4 years after the son of my brother or my grandfather or father, the person who I married with him, 2 women in the same day. Are you getting it?
Totally wrong. Your hallucination. Si CP berhalusinasi sendiri. Tak ada satupun buku yang menyatakan bahwa ayah Nabi dan kakek Nabi menikah di saat yang bersamaan. Akad nikahnya saja tidak sama, apalagi bulan madunya tentu saja berbeda waktu, bersela waktu tahunan. Sehingga wajar jika Hamzah paman Nabi melahir lebih dahulu, karena kakek Nabi menikahnya lebih dahulu. Terbuktikan fitnah keji dari si CP lahir dari halusinasi otak kosongnya sendiri, dari kebodohannya sendiri dalam berhitung. 1 ditambah 1 ditambah 1 saja sama dengan 1, apalagi ini menghitung hari pernikahan, akad nikah, dan bulan madunya yang berselang bertahun-tahun.
So the story is very simple, and if you Muslims you want to accuse your own stupid stories and your books by by saying they are liars, they are donkeys, all of you are donkeys anyway. It's not my business. But the story is very easy. There's no way Muhammad is born 4 years after Hamza, when both of them, their parents, they married in the same day. It's impossible.
It's possible only because you are so stupid when counting. Ketika kamu menghitung CP, kamu salah besar. Kamu berasumsi sendiri, ya, mengarang-arang sendiri dengan pikiran otak kotormu yang mesum itu. Wajar kalau Tuhanmu saja harus berkelamin, apalagi ini, ya. Masalahnya ada di otak kamu. Dia lantas berkhayal mengkait-kaitkan hal ini dengan Warokoh segala macam. Betul-betul gila, insane. Anehnya, ada yang menganggap si CP ini adalah seorang yang spesial, seorang yang brilliant. Oh my God.
That can be possible if the guy, he is married to the women and they live, and maybe his wife, she was not able to get pregnant right away. But Muhammad's father did not live with her for long. So how she delivered then Muhammad 4 years after her husband's death? So the Muslims who say this is a lie, this is not true, I mean, you Muslims are really weird. You have a problem, and your problem is your books, and you are trying to get rid of it, but it doesn't work. It's there.
Where?
And thank God that yes, we are Christians, but we know Arabic, because all those stories was hiding.
It's only
and if
your
not we speak Arabic,
hallucinations.
none of you will know about it. Even you Muslims did not even notice. It was us, the Christians, who showed you that this is stupid.
It's you,
what it is.
you are stupid,
stupid.
moron.
And that is exactly what Islam is about. And it's very obvious that Muhammad's father cannot be this person, the Muslim, they call him Abdullah, for a very simple reason too. Additional reason, how Muslims, they believe that Abdullah is the father of Muhammad, but yet they don't believe in Allah.
But
He
you
will go to hell.
not.
There's tons of reasons to believe that this is a false fiction story. I believe strongly the real father of Muhammad is Waraqa ibn Nawfal. Go and read the history of Muhammad. Go read the book of As-Sirah.
What?
Go read all the Muslim books. You will find that anytime you look for Muhammad, you find him with Waraqa.
You
Even when he was a child. Why Waraqa is so attached to
And
Muhammad?
you totally stupid.
One day Muhammad, he was
and
lost,
weird.
and everybody thought that he was kidnapped, they will never find him again, etc. And then they found him with Waraqa. When Waraqa he died, what Muhammad tried to do? He tried to commit suicide many times, several times.
Ini lagi
What kind of
halusinasinya
relationship
dia
between Muhammad and
yang
Waraqa? To the point,
berulang lagi. Tidak ada yang
when Waraqa died,
bunuh diri.
he tried to
Itu
commit suicide.
hanya
And why Waraqa's sister, she
tipe,
offered the father of Muhammad, according to the Muslim books, you find this in my books.
wartanya atau
Go and get my books
si
from Amazon.
perawinya.
Search for Christian Prince,
Belum
and you will find it in
tentu
Amazon, my books.
Nabi
You will find that how
ingin
the sister
bunuh
of Waraqa,
diri.
she offered
Itu
100
hanya
camels to the
pikiran
father of
atau
Muhammad to sleep with her
persangkaan
when he was
dari
going to sleep with
keluarganya atau
Amina, between the way to go to
perawinya
Amina.
yang tentu
And for sure, I
saja
don't believe in
tidak
a number. I
bisa
mean, 100 camels.
dipercaya.
100 camels is a
Inilah
lot of money.
kebodohan
Not only
dan
at that time, even now.
halusinasi
So,
si CP.
yeah, I'm sure the Muslims exaggerated
Ya,
the stupidity.
tak ada
to the
yang
story
bunuh
that was
diri.
somewhat true.
Akhlak
And maybe
Nabi
she offered him a camel or two.
dinyatakan oleh
People at that time is
Aisyah
not really rich.
setara
So
dengan
100 camel,
Quran.
and that will make the father of
Akhlak
Muhammad
Nabi
king.
itu adalah
Just from 15 women.
Al-Quran.
Excuse my
Itu
language. This is how it is.
kesaksian
So,
dari Aisyah
she offered
yang tentu
100
saja
camel
lebih
to
dapat
sleep with
dipercaya
Muhammad's father. And then he
daripada
said, I will go to Amina, I will do Amina, and I will
halusinasi
come back to
orang
you. So he
yang
went to Amina, he did
mengira
Amina, and he came back
orang
to
yang
her.
naik
And she said
turun
to him, well, I
gunung
have no need for
sebagai
you.
bunuh diri.
So
Apakah
what all this
Nabi
drama about? Why
melalui
Waraqa's sister is doing that?
untuk
Obviously
gantung
Waraqa,
diri?
he is dating
Apakah
this woman or
Nabi
sleeping with
lalu
her, and he don't
terjun
want anyone to
dari
sleep with her. So he sent his sister to,
atas
okay, I will
gunung
find you a
itu?
different
Kan
person to sleep with.
tidak.
You want a woman?
Jadi
You
ini
go,
hanya
the sister.
persangkaan dari
So as you see,
perawinya.
Muslims, you Muslims
Cobalah
agree that
makan
Muhammad
jeruk dengan dikupas dari
father
kulitnya dulu,
and
bukan ditelan
Hamza father,
bulat-bulat
they married in the same day.
seperti
Then both of you
kebiasaan si
agree, all of you
CP
agree that
makan
Muhammad's
ayam
father did not live with his wife for long.
sebulu-bulunya
then you agree then
Setahi-tahinya
again that Muhammad
dia
was
makan
born 4
semua
years after Hamza. You
mentah-mentah,
tell me how this happened, and
makan
this
jeruk tanpa dikupas kulitnya,
the mother of Muhammad
menjijikan
was sleeping
dan
alone,
aneh
and she
sekali.
was not really married to this man.
Sebagai
And I
nabi,
believe all this story is a
nabi
fiction, the
itu
same as everything in Islam. Nobody knows
dikelilingi
exactly.
oleh
You see, I believe
orang-orang
everything
yang
about Islam is a lie.
suci, orang-orang yang
Muhammad,
beriman.
his name is not Muhammad, his real name is Al-Qathan.
Bahkan saat
The father is
remaja
not Abdullah and
pun,
cannot be Abdullah
Nabi
for many reasons.
dibuat
The
mengantuk
history,
sehingga
everything about Muhammad is a
tertidur
fiction.
ketika
However,
teman-temannya pada
this is what Muslims have,
dugem,
and this is what
pada
they believe in.
minum
So you deal
minuman
with it.
keras,
Your
dan
father
lain
was born 4
sebagainya.
years.
Lalu
Your
Nabi
prophet, he was born
terbangun
4 years
dan tetap dalam
after his
keadaan
father
masih
death.
suci.
This is why you
Itulah
can go right now and
perlindungan
search in
dari
YouTube
Allah.
about
Apalagi
the
ayah
period of
dan
getting
ibu
birth
Nabi,
in Islam. You
juga
will
dari
find many scholars,
orang-orang
they are
yang
talking
beriman,
loud and clear
yang
that according to Islam, a
menganut
woman, she can
ajaran
be pregnant up
Nabi
to 4 years.
Ibrahim.
Now, why
Agama
they
Nabi
come with this number?
Ibrahim, agama yang Hanif,
Why they come with
yaitu
this number? I
agama
don't think it comes
Islam juga.
like this conclusion of 4
Agama
years
Islam
for
syariat
nothing.
Nabi
But they are trying to
Ibrahim.
cover the issue of
Halusinasinya masih berlanjut tentang nama. Yang berhak memberi nama seorang bayi adalah ibundanya atau kakeknya setidaknya. Dalam hal ini kakek Nabi serta ibunda Nabi sepakat memberi nama Nabi adalah Nabi Muhammad, suatu nama yang belum pernah dipakai oleh bayi manapun di dunia saat itu. Hanya Nabi Muhammad yang pertama. Lalu kemudian karena akhlak beliau yang mulia, kemudian banyak orang yang menamai anaknya dengan nama meniru nama Nabi Muhammad. Itu sesudah Nabi Muhammad lahir, bukan sebelumnya. Di mana sih otak kamu? Kamu punya otak atau tidak? Di mana saat ada pembagian otak, kamu pergi kemana? Benar-benar aneh ini si CP ini. Bodohnya luar biasa.